Okay, cool. So this is basically for headlines that are extracted using a news API. We get the headlines and then we create a room based off each headline. We can then go ahead and discuss on any room. We're going to go ahead and pick the number one trending headline at the moment. Then we have a live stream created, and automatically we've got him. He's showing his perspective or his opinion on this particular topic. I'm going to go ahead and show mine. We can actually queue him if you want to go ahead and queue as well. I can then, so this is me in the frame right now, or you. And we can then you can actually go ahead and react using emojis to the particular point of view that we're talking about. So this is, Brendan should be loading in a second.
So now that he's run out of time on his stream, it's going back to me.
If I really agree with what I say, I might put some love hearts, otherwise put some down hearts. Then go back to the store, then go to a different one. They're all based in different rooms.
Yeah,
cool.
So they all have independent rooms, and each one has its own queue for things which will be unlimited in like.
Awesome. No, that's a great idea. So how are you guys planning on monetizing this?
Do you want to go again?
So we're going to get TV stations, news broadcasts to license our technology, pay us money for using our interactive system, and for current news topics they might use this to see what the public thinks and really get a good picture of the nation.
I think that, using during elections, after an election TV debate, let's say, oh, did the public think this person won or did this person win? Or even potentially like brands could get involved. They want to be able to see what the public are thinking about that particular like product or brand, or like Love Island or something like that. You have possibilities there as well.
Awesome. Great job, guys.
Thank you very much.